Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Reliable Randy. I'm out here on location. A couple folks stopped me while I was on the walk. They realized who I was, Reliable Randy, and asked me to check out their hot water spigot coming to their washing machine. So we'll assess it, see if I can even do anything. All right, stand by. They already removed the frame cover off, so it's a good thing. They're saying it's coming off of this whole spigot right here. They've had it off for a couple days already, but we'll see. This side doesn't seem like there's any leaks. What I'm looking for is leaks around the hose, or is it coming from the barrel or this packing nut. Most of the time the issue is the packing nut, so we'll check it out. Let me get my wrench. As a matter of fact, we're gonna turn it on for a little bit and see where the leak is coming from. Okay, it's coming from the hose. It looks pretty bad. So this rubber ring, this gasket is the one that's the issue. We'll get that removed and replace it, and that should solve the problem. Stand by. Kind of a pain in the ass, but you can do it with a good pick. Okay, got a new one in there. It's fairly easy, just pop it off, put a new one back on, and we'll see if this is the one that helps it out. All right. There you go. There you go. Turn it back on all the way. Let's see. Good to go. Now, let this stay on for a little bit and see if there are any more leaks. Commonly, the leaks are from this packing nut. There's a bunch of packing material in here, and you tighten this down just a tad, you know, to tighten that up. That's what it's made for, is to pack material down so it can keep the leaks from up here. Looks like we're good to go here. We'll leave it on for a couple minutes and come back and check it out in a bit. Stand by. Okay, now we're back. Still no leaks. Looking good. So that's how you get it done, you know. Just do a good assessment on your situation. Not every situation is the same, and get some help if you need it, like these folks did. You know, they asked for help from a reliable person such as Randy. All right, stay tuned for another video coming up soon. Drop some comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free. Free is good. And also hit the like button. It will really help improve my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay reliable.